If you're planning a holiday brunch or Sunday brunch, you're going to love this recipe for strata. And it starts by reconstituting a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes in hot water. And then I'm taking 10 or 11 slices of Texas toast-sized bread, real thick white bread. And you can cut the crusts off if you want, but I cut it into 1-inch cubes. Now saute 12 ounces of Italian sausage, hot or mild, your choice. And break up the meat with the back of a spoon. And then when it's all cooked, go ahead and drain it on paper towels. First, let's make a custard with 8 large eggs and 3½ cups of milk. Then we'll add in a small diced onion and a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, along with 2 teaspoons of ground thyme and those reconstituted sun-dried tomatoes, along with the bread and the sausage. I'll mix it all together and pour it into a buttered baking dish. Now this dish is made best by making it to this point and then covering it and let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. Now bake in a 375 oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until it's puffed and golden. Then top with some cheddar jack cheese and some crumbled goat cheese. Then put it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes, just until the cheese melts. Now, let your strata cool before serving, but first write to me for the recipe, or log on to the website and click over to the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.